Many people think that speaking English fluently is about carrying a foreign accent, but honestly, confidence matters more. And trust me, I was not always confident in English either. So, hey guys, it's episode 3 where I help you speak English more fluently and build in your confidence. And today I'll be sharing my story and my journey of how I improved my English. The first thing that improved my English is that I stopped getting afraid and I stopped fearing mistakes. That is the first thing you have to do. If you get afraid, then nothing works out really because making mistake is part of this and fluency itself comes with a lot of practice and it's not an overtime or a midnight thing. It's all about practice. I started listening English everywhere movies, interviews, theaters, podcasts. I started asking people and listening to people who speak English really well. And you know something? Listening is more beneficial, which people really don't realize. Movies and reels help me a lot. A lot. It gives a natural touch to your language and your fluency because you get so many natural phrases, fillers, pronunciation, mistakes. I learned a lot of them. And you know the best part? It gives you so much confidence and so much natural effect to your language. And that's how I started sounding natural. I started practicing alone. Do you know something? I have a habit which I still follow. I learned it from someone that is speaking in front of the mirrors. So I'm a public speaker and narrator and my teacher used to tell me that if you want to practice more, start to speak in front of the mirror or a camera. And trust me, that works so wonders and so much wonders. Start thinking and start speaking in your mind in English. Even casual sentences, casual words, phrases, everything in English. You know why? Because that helps your brain trigger and think and make you speak more English outside. To be honest, in my journey, I have understood that confidence is something that matters a lot. And many people are really afraid of being judged, thinking that what would people say if we make mistakes. And because of that, we are even afraid to speak in front of just 20 people in our classroom or maybe in our family. But everyone starts somewhere. So it's time that you also start your journey of speaking and improving your English and your language. And what I want to give a pro tip is that if you are a student studying in a school or maybe a college, try to take part in many activities and many debates or competition, as many as possible. That helps enhance your language and your confidence. So this is how I improve my English, not overnight, not magical, just through small daily practice. And if I can do this, you can also definitely do this. So for more fun episodes and fun content, subscribe to my channel and keep speaking English. Take care and bye bye.